And then when you do a little pose like this, someone asked me, how am I just so confident? I have not always been confident like this. And even now, I do sometimes second guess myself. But then I gotta, girl, what? Why are you listening? Do these people live your life? No. You get up every day. You work hard every day. You pray every day. You pay these bills every day. You do everything it takes to be this good, righteous person. You better give yourself credit. You've been standing on business. You better give yourself that credit. And nobody gonna take that away from me. I look in the mirror and I say stuff to myself daily so that I know I am that girl. Yeah. Whatever it takes, whatever you say to yourself, believe it. The more you say it, the more you believe it. There is power in tongue. Drop me a comment. Drop a comment right now. Tell me what you think about these swimsuits. Do I need a smaller size? The material is stretchy. For stretching material, I could probably do a smaller size. Swimsuit material is usually really stretchy, so we could maybe do a smaller size, or I just need to adjust it better on right here. I don't know if that's gonna like give me what I need, but we're gonna try it out. Shout out to Andrew for shopping my wish list and sending me some items. All right, glam crew. So now that we have picked out a church outfit, go watch my prior video to this. I needed help deciding what I'm gonna wear to church next week. But your girl going on vacation this week. I'll be back in time for church. And I'm gonna make sure to read the comments. Let me know what you think of those outfits. Let's try on some swimsuits that somebody sent me. And they sent them in perfect timing. Because your girl is trying to budget travel. I buy swimsuits every single vacation. I buy at least 3 new swimsuits. I love swimsuits. I love looking beautiful on vacation. So this trip, because I'm budget traveling and we just had Christmas and my birthday, so money tight, but I'm still gonna travel. I'm just not gonna buy clothes for vacation. But somebody sent me some swimsuits and someone donated some money, so I might try and find some outfits in person for vacation. Make sure to hit up my Cash App, Nikki the Glam Teacher, and you can donate to my channel, which helps me to get more outfits for try on hauls. And you can also shop my Amazon wish list. The link is in the description box and on my main channel. You can send me any item on Amazon for me to try on or review. So send it to me and I will give you my honest opinion on what I think. So here, one of my videos, I recorded me unboxing these swimsuits. I don't think I edited yet because I'm just behind on stuff with work and school and family. But we got 2 swimsuits that I'm going to try on. This one is from Swimsuit, y'all, right here. Somewhere in here, like right in here, I'll put a picture of exactly what this is, so you can go on Amazon and shop and get this swimsuit. This is I want to say it's an extra large. Yes, it is a extra large. So if you want to go get this swimsuit, then boom, check them out. Now this one is very cheeky, as we can see. Gra. Yeah, it's giving. I think this is a thong, but the back is scrunchy. Now I can't wait to wear this next week on vacation. Honestly, like, course, on my thighs, you got wide hips, wide butt. It's gonna be a little tight. But I'm already in love because look, it's covering up my belly button. And y'all know me and my belly button have a love-hate relationship. Actually, this is not as cheeky as I thought it would be in the back. But it's not as cheeky as I thought it would be. And then, I hope I'm doing this right. So, actually, you do have to pull this up a little bit more, which I love that for my body shape. I like the high cut swimsuits. It just makes my hips look a little bit more voluptuous. Like the high cut brings out the hips. See what I'm talking about? I really like high cut items. The high V, it definitely brings out the hips. And then when you do a little pose like this, someone asked me, how am I just so confident? I have not always been confident like this. And even now, I do sometimes second guess myself. But then I gotta, girl, what? Why are you listening? Do these people live your life? No. You get up every day. You work hard every day. You pray every day. You pay these bills every day. You do everything it takes to be this good, righteous person. You better give yourself credit. You've been standing on business. You better give yourself that credit. And nobody gonna take it away from me. I look in the mirror and I say stuff to myself daily so that I know I am that girl. Yeah. Whatever it takes, whatever you say to yourself, believe it. The more you say it, the more you believe it. There is power in tongue. What you say has power. They call it, what y'all be calling that? Manifesting. Yeah, you better go manifest. So, I'm gonna put this on without my bra and see how it look and report back. Cause I wanna get like an official, real feeling for how this is gonna look. And I'm not perfect, y'all. Look at that little booty dimple. I call that bae. That's bae. Even after plastic surgery. You still gotta love your flaws. Give it a nickname. I'm gonna be right back. Let me try on this top. Okay, glam crew. So I definitely put this top on a little backwards. And if this look bulky down here, please don't come to my comments talking about what's going on. Is that a man? Y'all know I'm not no man. Like, be for real. I think y'all just be saying anything in these comments, but I still have on my undies. Why y'all think y'all about to see something? I have on my drawers, okay? Did I roll my eyes right? But yeah, I put the triangles backwards and then it's twisted a little bit right here. But I actually like this. It gives me more coverage up here. And then, yeah. You don't got much side boob, but you can play with this however you want to play with it. If you feel like you in the itty bitty titty community, did I say it right? Then the triangles will probably fit better the other way so it can like cover you more. But my big chested girlies, I saw this in another video and she had a big chest and she said just flip it and it covers you a little bit more. So all of this just ain't flopping out looking crazy. And I still got my mommy breasts. This is natural. So flip it a little bit. You ain't got all that sag going on. The girls is actually looking all right. It's just twist it right in here and just play with it and straighten it up. Now, if you young and perky, then you know you can have a little cleavage right there, but this is what we working with and we are happy about that. I appreciate these beautiful mommy breasts that fed these babies because I breastfed. So don't look at things in a negative way, turn it into something positive. That is what also helped me be more confident by turning what most people think is negative, make it positive. Oh, I got a butt dimple. Girl, that dimple fire. Fire. Okay, dimple. Go dimple. Go dimple. See? Just look in the mirror and practice. You might sound crazy. You're gonna feel better afterwards. So let's get into the detail. This is a two-piece swimsuit, extra large, white, very soft. It has light padding right here in the top. Then it has the arms that come like this, and in the back, y'all see where I put it on backwards? So this is supposed to be the top over your neck like a halter, and then this is like the actual back. And if you don't want something on your neck hurting your neck, then this would be a good way to wear your swimsuit. Now, I did feel like this was gonna be super cheeky, and that's why I definitely left my undies on, but it's not as cheeky as I was thinking originally. Now, if you're not used to having your buns out, you might be like, oh my Lord. Put you on the cover up, you'll be okay. But we out in the sun, it's hot. I'd like to be out in 3 with my linebacker arms. I'll never forget how y'all told me that I had linebacker arms. I'll never forget it. And guess what? I love them. I'm thankful to have them because there's some folks that don't even have arms. Thank you to the man above. Y'all better be thankful for what y'all got, focusing on the wrong stuff. Let me know what you think about swimsuit number 1. You about to see me out next week in this one. Thank you to my lovely subscriber Andrew that sent this. I appreciate it. I love it. You got great style. Send me some more items if you want to see me try on more swimsuits. And don't forget, go subscribe to my YouTube channel membership where I lingerie hauls and we have a live group chat. Subscribe to my Elite VIP membership. And we do live try-ons, lingerie hauls, all of that. So let me go switch into the next swimsuit. All right, Glam crew, here is the next swimsuit. And it's just something about a white swimsuit that I just love a white swimsuit. It just gives off goddess, baddie, elegance, beauty. It just boosts your confidence up. White is such a pure and beautiful color. I might have to add this to like my favorite color list. But I think it's a little big just because I need the top area to have a little bit more, like I need it tighter. But that might be because the strings in the back are not right. And I tried to pull it tighter on this side, which in return made the bottoms a little crooked, I guess. Yeah. I mean, but the natural sag, gotta love the natural sag, because I got some stories about these babies, okay? I didn't fed babies. I didn't change lives. I didn't grew something and had a whole human. Oh my God. I was just telling my childhood best friend, like, we got kids. We got kids. She like, yeah. Like, what? 20 years ago? Who would have thought? Who? But anyhow, now I'm just feeling old. Whatever. I'm thankful for life. But anyhow, it is a little bit big in here. It has light padding. So you got light padding in here and it does nothing. It's not helping lift anything up. I think you just gotta play with the strings in the back. So these strings on the side like help adjust the swimsuit. And crisscross back here. Yeah, I needed to crisscross back. So that's what we working with in the back. Show them back rows. Be proud of those back rows because they're beautiful. But one thing I don't like about this swimsuit is it's adjustable, but it's not adjustable in like the right way. I'm gonna take it off and play with it some more. But I was just trying to get on to see if it fits. It fits. Maybe it could be a little bit smaller just so this fits a little bit better. We got a little bit of side boob, not too much, just a little razzle, a little dazzle. And this is by Zooful. Love Zooful. My very first swimsuit haul like 3 years ago was a Zooful. It was a Zooful swimsuit haul. So yeah, and I was heading on my first solo trip to Mexico. I've been to Mexico like maybe twice, and this was my first time going solo. I actually got stood up. I just knew like, oh, you ain't going? Don't worry, I'll take myself on vacation. And from that day forward, Wait on who for what? I'm going where I want to go and do what I want to do. That's why you need to make sure you always make yourself priority. Take care of you. Get your finances in order. So can't nobody tell you nothing. You can't be looking around waiting for no man, waiting for your friends, your siblings. You got yourself together. Go continue to be happy with your life. And when the right one comes, they'll be there. So right here, we are going to put a picture of this swimsuit. It's an extra large by Zufel. So right here. Yep. That's the information on the swimsuit. So go shop on Amazon. You got Amazon Prime. It's going to come in 2 days. Shop my Amazon wish list. Thank you to Andrew for sending me this cute and lovely swimsuit. I like how it fits for the most part. This area could be a little bit better. It's not too supportive. You can do a little jiggle. Let's see. Nothing spilled out, but if it was like this, I gotta play with this swimsuit a little bit more because this swimsuit is gorgeous. Yeah, this swimsuit is gorgeous. I just need maybe better padding would help. I don't know, Glam Crew, what do you think about this one? I do like the little design on the side. Little side boob, back out. Yeah, it's cute. I'm wearing it next week regardless on my vacation. What do you all think? And I don't know if I told y'all my measurements, but they'll also be in the description box. I am 5'8", 240 big, beautiful pounds. My chest is a 40 triple D, big back status. And yeah, those are my stats. So let me know. If you want to know my waist measurements, they will be in the description box. Make sure you join my membership. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Since somebody donated to my channel, thank you for the Cash App. I am probably going to go out and try and shop maybe one more swimsuit or some lingerie. And we will do a lingerie try-on haul in my membership. And I may have some more swimsuit videos coming out, some try-on hauls while I'm on vacation. I know you all love those vacation try-on hauls. Make sure you go watch them videos in Barbados, Mexico, Jamaica. Go watch El Salvador, okay? Thank you for watching. Share this video. Like. Drop me a comment. Drop a comment right now. Tell me what you think about these swimsuits. Do I need a smaller size? The material is stretchy. For stretchy material, I could probably do a smaller size. Swimsuit material is usually really stretchy, so we could maybe do a smaller size, or I just need to adjust it better on right here. I don't know if that's gonna like give me what I need, but we're gonna try it out. Shout out to Andrew for shopping my wish list and sending me some items. Bye. See you all in the next video. And remember, subscribe. What are you doing? Go subscribe. Bye.